hiking at Cape Flaterry in the pouring rain when we started. But this is when we left Victoria Island. Very nice. And then
We're leaving
with a pretty
Victoria
sunrise in the middle.
Island. See you next time. I don't know how he maneuvered this one. It's kind of like tight area. Very good. Captain. I know the driver. Boat driver. It's the bridge we drove yesterday and we walked all over there last Friday. Bye bye. Bye Victoria. See you next time.
And it's so pretty in between the border of Canada and United States.
Yeah, very pretty.
When we sail.
Huh?
Is that one the fuel country,
Baker.
the water where we at?
It's Baker next to it.
So to get to Hurricane Ridge is only 40 minutes from.
Back to. This is the weather at the Washington side. At least not as foggy as the we leave Friday. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
You got the keys, right? You should. I think you.
On our way to Neah Bay. What's the hiking?
We're in Neah Bay.
Huh?
We are in Neah Bay right now.
Oh, we are Neah Bay. We're going to
Cape Flaterry.
the Cape Flattery, but the weather is gonna be soaking wet. Oh well, farmhouse restaurant closed. It's Neah Bay. There's a lot of boats.
And we're passing through Neah Bay. Then gonna turn to go to our hiking area, Cape Flattery. Cape Flattery is the northwesternmost point of the contiguous United States. It is in Clallam County in Washington, on the Olympic Peninsula, where Strait of Juan de Fuca joins the Pacific Ocean. It is also part of the Maca Reservation and is the northern boundary of Olympic Coast. Cape Flattery Lighthouse is in this little island.
Walking.
Not this one here.
Can we go this way there? To the left?
I wouldn't for right now. We can maybe visit this on the way back.
We're across from the Tatush Island where the lighthouse is.
Just do it while nobody. Hello, it's MamaSenda. We're at Cape Flattery and Neah Bay. We're back to Washington after our Victoria Islands mini vacation. Pretty view. Cape Flaterry. One bird.
Just a cup.
You want some here or no?
That way, 50 amsa. We are at Neah Bay, but the weather's nicer now than earlier when we passed by.